Hey everyone, it's Victoria and welcome back to Vlog by Victoria Pro. Today we're diving into something truly special. I'm visiting the Suwaidi Pearl Farm in the heart of the UAE. Ever wondered how pearls are made? Here you'll witness the magic unfold, from the traditional pearl diving heritage to the fascinating process of pearl cultivation. And guess what? You can even get your own pearls straight from the farm. I'll be picking one myself and I can't wait to see what's inside. Stay tuned for a closer look at the serene waters, the beautiful farm, and the hidden pearl treasures. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures like this. Let's get started. Thank you.
Yes. Well, you can find it, but because Tourist? Everyone tourist here? Have you heard of Dufa? It's an old city. Nowadays, Dufa has a new name. And it's called nowadays Nasser Tank. This one. Second. Okay, so take the diver, pass it. This one they only use it to reach. So they cut one toe like that. Once they reach bottom of the sea, they reach. Okay? They can just step. Now diving starts from sometimes they need something to protect their fingers. Here, because they get that. Leather they can find. Camel leather, cow leather. Now this one plays with the mechanism oyster is called leather. And now you have one. Before you start diving, you need to pick someone to hold. But whoever holds this rope will find out how to close it.
One more time.
Whoever holds this rope controls the diver line. So the diver needs to pick someone he trusts. In the past, they used to pick their brother, someone relative, to save their lives. Now, they don't know this. You die accidentally. When the diver wants to you get a sign to release things. These ropes, pass it down, bottom of the sea, sit, stone. Let's say that you are looking for oysters, you find some here. When you finish, take off the basket, then I'll be waiting for your sign. Take it out and go. And I'll pull you up to the surface. Go with the basket. Once we get to the surface, go to the basket, take it out and go. We can get a sign right here. And I'll pull you up to the surface. Go with the basket. Once we get to the surface, go to the basket.
Come close. She wants to. She wants to. Come on in. I just want to make a video, sorry.
At this point, I'll take it.
Alright, use your intuition.
Möchtest du oder nicht? Kannst du jetzt ja oder nein?
So the chances increase from 1 to 60. We'll see how that goes. Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Eigentlich.
Kannst du noch kaufen? Kannst du das kaufen?
Pink one?
Was du bezahlt hast, glaube ich.
Those are the organs. You can see this oyster. It's already dying. The heart is slowly pumping. This is the muscle, and this tissue is the mantle. So whatever cuts this, create a pearl. In seeding, we put the seed inside this. To know if you have a pearl or not, you have to cut it. So we cut it and press. And if there is a pearl, it will pops out.
No.
Oh.
wow.
Macht spannend.
Start from 100, 150, and it can reach up to 6, 7,000. Now we clean it with fresh water and salt to remove the sea smell. Now this pearl is ungraded, so it have a fixed price, 450. You can have it in 2 weeks. It's either you pay 450 or you don't need it.
Oder was? Kostet die?